No, I won't ever smile.
Valerie, what are we doing?
Well, we are setting up for Shy to ask Mike to turnabout, and
Do that again.
yeah.
Do that.
And it's really sexy right now because these balloons glow.
And the fact that he thinks I'm under house arrest.
Pretty much.
I texted her after it happened.
It's an awkward shot.
You didn't see it. You couldn't see it though. But it was so funny because I told him that I told him I was under house arrest, and I texted her after. I was like, dude, I feel so bad for lying to him. I was like, I feel so bad.
Do you want to outline?
Oh shit, you can see it.
Do you want to outline that, Nicole?
We have balloons.
What? That glow.
Outline
That glow.
Kind of bubbly outline the words.
Don't move. See, they glow.
Kind of bubbly.
And the words are gonna glow in a minute.
Yeah.
So squiggly, bubbly.
So yeah, we have that to look forward to. Alright. Well, Val is going to record the process after.
Should I keep rolling? Guys, shut up. I'm gonna piss all over this. Do you want me to like get his face? Wait, I'm still recording. This is so fucking funny. Just keep going, okay?
Whoa! I found.
What?
Of course.
Mike, will you turn about with me?
Of course I will.
Yay!
Okay, I'm done.
Did I do a good job keeping him?
Yeah, you did awesome.
Yes, you did all
Do
the
it,
job.
Abby.